So hi everyone, welcome again to Achievers Academy. So we'll start from question number 89. So the question number 89 is the match the following type match the column type of question. So in the left side of the column was the treaties were given, and in the right side of column was given the treaty was signed between East India Company and whom. So first is the Treaty of Basin is signed between East India Company and Peshwas. The second is a Treaty of Surjanagaon between East India Company and Sindhia. Statement 3, the Treaty of Devgaon was between East India Company and Bhonsle. And statement 4, the Treaty of Rajghat between Holkar and East India Company. So you have to choose which one of the above treaties are correctly matched. Option A, only 1. Option B, only 2. Option C, 1, 2, 3, 4. Option D, 1, 2 and 4. So the correct answer is option D. The correct answer is option C, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay. So what happened? The Holkar in 1802, the Holkar was the Maratha Confederacy in Indore. So Holkar defeated the Peshwas and Sindhia. So Peshwas, out of fear, they rushed into East India Company and they joined the hand with East India Company, and they signed the Treaty of Basin with British East India Company, that is a type of subsidiary alliance. And British East India Company, after that they came to know this thing that these Marathas are not uh, following the principle of unity, they are fighting with against each other. So British East India Company got a chance to defeat all these Marathas confederacies and sign different treaties with these different confederacies. So first they signed the Treaty of Basin with the Peshwas. Next they signed the Treaty of Surjanagaon with Sindhyas, and Treaty of Devgaon with Bhonsle, and Treaty of Rajghat with Holkar. Okay, so the correct answer is 1, 2, 3 and 4. Question number 90. What is the outcome of Third Anglo-Maratha War? Statement 1, Warren Hastings defeated the combined Maratha powers. Option 2, statement 2, Treaty of Pune was signed between East India Company and Peshwa. Statement 3, Treaty of Mandsaur was signed between East India Company and Holkar. And statement 4 is Peshwaship was abolished. So which one of the above statements are correct? Statement option A, only 1. Option B, only 2. Option C, 1, 2, 3, 4. And option D, 1, 2 and 4. So the correct answer is option C, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so after Second Anglo-Maratha War, Maratha power was declined. Marathas were weak, but still they want to revive their power. They want to attack the British East India Company, but the time was not that much favorable for the Marathas. Even if they combinedly attacked the English power, British power, British were so much powerful during this time. In 1817, in the Third Anglo-Maratha War, Britishers were combinedly defeated all this power. Warren Hastings was not the ruler at that time. Lord Hastings was the ruler. I'm sorry. So Lord Hastings defeated the combined Maratha power, and he signed a Treaty of Pune between East India Company and Peshwa, and Treaty of Mandsaur was signed between East India Company and Holkar, and Peshwaship was abolished in 1818. Okay, so the correct answer is option. Technically, it is 2, 3, 4. By mistakenly, I wrote Warren Hastings instead of Lord Hastings. Warren Hastings and Lord Hastings were two different persons. Warren Hastings was the first Governor General. This is Lord Hastings. His time period is from 1813 to 1822. So this is Lord Hastings. Okay. So right now, the Britishers were already acquired Bengal, Mysore and Maratha. So they will move to the northwestern part, the Sindh. Okay. So now the eyes of East India Company is on the northwestern part, Sindh and Punjab. So first they will annex the Sindh. So 91 chief, the question 91, chief of Sindh was signed a subsidiary alliance with British when? In which year they signed this subsidiary alliance? Option A 1835, option B 1839, option C 1843, option D 1845. So the correct answer is 1839. So the chief of Sindhyas signed a subsidiary treaty with the British East India Company, but British East India Company was not happy with this treaty. Also, they wanted to completely annex Sindh, and they annexed Sindh in 1843. They annexed Sindh in 1843, but the subsidiary alliance was signed in 1839. Question number 92. Consider the following statement regarding Treaty of Lahore signed in 8th March 1846. It was signed after the First Anglo-Sikh War. Second option, second statement, Jalandhar Dwab was transferred to Britain. British. Statement 3, Punjab army was reduced. Which of the above statement is or are correct? Statement A, only one. Option 1, option A, only 1, option B, only 2, option C, 1, 2, 3, option D, 2 and 3. So let us see which is the correct answer. First, they are saying that it was signed after the First Anglo-Sikh War. Okay, it was in 8 March 1846. So obviously it is after the First Anglo-Sikh War, and the first Anglo-Sikh War's consequence was the Treaty of Lahore. So after the First Anglo-Sikh War, they signed this Treaty of Lahore. So according to this Treaty of Lahore, Jalandhar Dwap was dedicated or given to British, and British sold the Jammu and Kashmir to the Raja Gulab Singh Dogra, and paid Raja Gulab Singh paid 5 million rupees. I'm sorry, 5 million rupees to the British East India Company, and the Punjab army was reduced according to this treaty. So all the three statements are correct. That is option number C, 1, 2 and 3. Question number 93. Dalhousie annexed which state with force? Okay, so Dalhousie also came with his unique annexation policy, like your Lord Wellesley, who came up with the policy of subsidiary alliance. Dalhousie will also came with his own policy that we will discuss in next question. So the question number 93 is about the annexation, forceful annexation. So Dalhousie annexed which state with force? Statement option A, Maratha, option B, Mysore, option C, Jammu and Kashmir, option D, Punjab. So the correct answer is option D, Punjab. Question number 94. Who introduced doctrine of lapse in India? Option A, Dalhousie, option B, Munro, option C, Cornwallis, option D, Lord William Bentinck. So the correct answer is option A, Dalhousie. So Dalhousie came up with his new policy, that is doctrine of lapse. So this is different from the subsidiary alliance which was introduced by Lord Wellesley. Lord Wellesley came up with the doctrine of subsidiary alliance, but according to this doctrine of lapse, if there is no legal heir or no successor of ruler, he cannot adopt a person or a child and give his territory to that adopted child. That cannot be possible under this doctrine of lapse. He has to transfer his property or his territory to the British if he does not have any legal successor or legal heir. So this policy was by Dalhousie. So according to this policy, various states signed this doctrine with the East India Company, but Punjab was annexed forcefully. And question number 95. Which state had not signed a doctrine of lapse with British? Statement A, Satara. Statement B, Nagpur. Statement C, Jhansi. Statement D, Awadh. So the correct answer is option D, Awadh. This is the thing I want to tell you. Satara was signed Satara signed the doctrine of lapse in 1848. Then Nagpur signed in 1854, and Jhansi also signed in 1854. But Awadh did not sign this policy, this lapse, because first thing is Awadh had already a treaty with the Britishers after the Battle of Buxar, and Awadh had a legal heir also. So Britishers does not have any kind of policy or any kind of idea to annex Awadh, because Awadh has both legal heir and he had a signed agreement with British people. So how British annexed Awadh? British annexed Awadh by other means. What is this other means? That we'll discuss in this 96 number question. Which state was annexed by British on the basis of misgovernance? Statement A, Satara. Statement B, Nagpur. Statement C, Jhansi. And statement D, Awadh. So the correct answer is D, Awadh. So Awadh was annexed on the basis of misgovernance, not on the basis of doctrine of lapse. Awadh was the East India Company told that the Nawab of Awadh was inefficient. He was not able to govern his country. So on the basis of misgovernance, Awadh was annexed by British East India Company. And who was the last Nawab of Awadh? Option A, Sujadullah. Option B, Nizamul Mulk. Option C, Nizam Uddaulah. Option D, Wajid Ali. So the correct answer is option D, Wajid Ali. Arrange the following events chronologically. Statement 1, First Anglo-Maratha War. Statement 2, First Anglo-Mysore War. Option 3, Abolition of Peshwaship. Option 4, annexation. Statement 4, annexation of Awadh on the basis of misgovernance. Which is the correct order? So let us see which is the correct order. First, First Anglo-Maratha War. It was held in 1775. So the First Anglo-Maratha. Wait. Okay. The First Anglo-Maratha War held in 1775. The First Anglo-Mysore War held in 1766, and the Peshwaship was abolished in 1818, and Awadh was annexed on the basis of misgovernance. I've already told you the doctrine of lapse was not applied to Awadh, so Awadh was annexed on the basis of misgovernance in 1856. So the first event is First Anglo-Mysore Wars. The second event is the First Anglo-Maratha War in 1775. The third event is abolition of Peshwaship in 1818, and the fourth and final event is 1856, the annexation of Awadh. So the correct order is 2, 1, 3, 4. Option C is correct. Question number 99. Which one of the following is earliest event? Option A, signing of Treaty of Peace of Paris. Option B, signing Treaty of Seringapatam. Statement C, signing of Treaty of Salbai. Option D, death of Tipu Sultan. So first thing, the earliest was the Peace of Paris, Treaty of Paris, Peace of Paris. So the Battle of Vandivas happened earlier. First they defeated French, then after they defeated the local rulers. So if we apply this concept, this logic, then easily we can reach the answer. That is option A, signing of Treaty of Peace of Paris. So after Peace of Paris, British will defeat the Bengal. Then after they will come to the southern part, they will defeat the Tipu Sultan, Hyder Ali and Marathas. Okay, so according to that, option A is the correct answer. Okay, so this is it for this lecture. The rest of the questions we will discuss in the next video. Okay, thank you for watching. Good day, bye. And you will get the PDF of this question and answer in the description section. Please subscribe to our channel and hit the like button if you like this video. Thank you for watching. Good day, bye.